To fix a Spectrum router that won't turn on, start by checking that the power cable is securely plugged into the outlet. If the issue persists, try plugging the router into a different outlet to rule out any electrical issues. Next, inspect the router's cables for any physical damage and replace them if necessary. Then, unplug the router from the power supply, remove any batteries, and let it sit for about 3 minutes. After that, reinstall the batteries and plug the router back in, giving it a few minutes to reboot. Alternatively, you can reset the router through your Spectrum account on the website or mobile app. If none of these steps work, you may need to contact Spectrum directly through their website or consider purchasing a new router. By following these steps, you should be able to fix a Spectrum router that won't turn on.